I was inspired to do more research on Lord Byron after my video on the year without summer last week. In reading the many articles on the late poet, I found a large number of them were about his rather interesting diet. Lord Byron was reportedly extremely vain. He was absolutely terrified of getting fat to the point of telling his friends that he would rather not exist than be large. This desire to remain skinny may have been because he was an obese child born to an overweight, abusive mother. It's reported that in an effort to lose weight and give himself a greater command over himself, he would exercise in as many as 6 layers of coats in order to lose the excess water weight. By the way, for anyone who might be thinking of starting a similar workout routine, this doesn't work. Targeting water weight will give you an instant loss of pounds, yes, but unless you plan on living the rest of your life utterly dehydrated, you immediately gain it all back. Water is the second most important resource to human life after oxygen, and our body has gotten really good at making sure we never run out. He would also accelerate his weight loss by taking laxatives, which, similar to exercising under heavy layers, doesn't work. When we lose weight via laxatives, the majority of the lost weight is in water loss. Even back in the 1800's, calories in, calories out was a widely known fact, so Lord Byron would go to extreme lengths to cut down on the amount of calories he took in. He would survive days on just salted chips and water, or just a slice of bread and a cup of tea for a meal. To curb his appetite, he would frequently smoke cigars, which is not unsimilar to the habit a lot of modern-day models have of smoking cigarettes to stay thin. Looking back, it's pretty obvious that Lord Byron was suffering from body image issues. It's widely believed that his relationship with his overweight mom was abusive, and there's some evidence that suggests that he was beat and sexually abused by one of his nursemaids growing up. Unfortunately for the people around him, his immense celebrity status meant that his unhealthy habits with food would rub off on everyone around him. Lord Byron would develop kidney problems later on in life, and his health choices may have led to an early death at the age of 36.